Let's take a look at numbers 29, 31, and 33 on page 367. Number 29 reads, find the final amount for each investment, and we're investing $1,000 at 6% interest, compounded annually for 20 years. So for 29, let's identify some variables. For 29, our original principal, the amount we're investing, is $1,000. So that's our P naught. Remember that little zero? It's pronounced naught, and it means original. Our rate is 6%. Please remember that 6% is going to be 0.06. And it's compounded annually, so it's just compounded once a year for 20 years. So our time is 20 years. So this uses our original exponential growth formula. So our principal after 20 years is going to be our original principal of $1,000 times 1 plus our rate of growth. Since we're doing exponential growth, we add the rate to 1, and we take it to time t. So loading all of that into our calculator, practice with me. We get $3,207. Okay. Now, number 31 has a slight change. We're investing $750, so that's our original amount, at 10% interest, so our rate is 10%, which is 0.1. And this interest is compounded quarterly for 10 years, so we have that compounding number. So the number of times we're compounding is 4 times a year. And we're doing that for 10 years, so our T is 10. So what we have to do is we have to say our principal after 10 years is going to equal our original principal of $750, and we take 1, and we're still adding our rate, but that rate of 10% is going to be divided into those 4 compounding periods. And then likewise, our time is going to be multiplied by 4. So it's like we're compounding more often. This is the number of times we're compounding, but we have to take that annual rate and divide it into 4 parts. So practice loading that into your calculator, and hopefully you'll get that your principal after 10 years is about $2,014. Number 33. We're starting with $1,800, and our rate is 5.65%. Now remember, as a decimal, that's 0.0565. And we're compounding it daily for 3 years. So our number of compounding periods, well, how many days are there in a year, is 365. And our time is going to be 3 years. So I'm going to write this one a little bit bigger because our numbers are going to get really small. Our principal after 3 years is going to equal our original principal times 1 plus our rate, which is 0.0565. Now we have to divide that annual rate into 365 parts. Now, but what we get to do is we get to say our time times 365. Okay. So practice loading that into your calculator, and hopefully you get about $2,132. Okay, my recommendation is that if you didn't understand those 3, if you don't understand them, then maybe you practice 30, 32, and 34 on your own. The answers are right there, above there.